Facebook friends, I'm with the representative of the South Leeward constituency, Mr. Nature Stevenson. So, Mr. Nature Stevenson, you have a story for us today. Tell us.
Yes, Brian. I am in Vermont at the residence of Vivian Finch. And Vivian Finch is actually related to me because she, by virtue of marriage. And she has been expressing to me repeatedly a situation that has been occurring since the 2013 flood, okay? Christmas Eve flood, where her building was, her shop, that was really her livelihood, was washed away. So, a lot of people have been saying that what Vivian is saying isn't the truth, and therefore we are here on site today so that the entire world can hear Vivian's story.
Good. Yes, so you could go ahead and ask her what you like now.
Okay, Vivian, you know, I know you a long time ago, and I know you've had your shop in Retreat operating for quite a while, very close to the river. How long have you been operating that shop?
Well, I've operated that shop since 1971. 71 to now is how much years.
Okay, plenty years.
29 and 15.
A whole lot of years, that's
Yes.
it. Now,
1971.
Vivian, I know many times I came to Vermont, and in the night I have had to bring you
Bring me
home
home,
from the
that's
shop.
Yes.
Right?
You have
Okay.
to beg you to bring me home.
Yes. So you know, once I'm in Vermont, I always bring you home.
True.
And I lime at your shop too.
Yeah.
But in the Christmas Eve, your shop was washed away. There is no evidence at all that there was a shop at the road because the entire foundation was washed away. Now I know that you had deep freeze, you had fridge, you had all kind of things inside
Everything
there. It
was
was
there.
well stocked, and
Truly,
everything
me
was
tell the
gone.
minister so.
Right. So, having lost all of that, did you report the matter to Nemo?
Every living thing report to Limo.
Okay.
And me continue going on, nobody looking at me. So me stop go.
Okay, but eventually they did come and give you, because they was distributing fridge and stove to everybody who sustained loss, right?
Yeah.
Good. So did you get any? Did you get a fridge and a stove from them?
Yeah, me
eventually?
sign for a fridge and a stove and they
Right.
bring it
And they
in.
brought it for you.
And then they come back for it the next day.
Well, that is the interesting part, because I would want to know somebody who is 68 years old and, you know, a cancer patient. Why would they, the powers that be, want to come and reclaim a fridge and a stove just one day after they actually give those items to you? Which is just not unique to you because they gave them to everybody who sustained damages during the flood.
Definitely I'm more than one too.
But why did they take back those things from you, Vivian?
Well, me no know. Me can't say they say somebody tell them me get already. Me show them me whole place. Me say me not get nothing. The only thing we been here girl and them thing with they leave here.
Right.
For go home because Steph been a work I must speak.
Correct.
Right? So like how she did down the now boy and them leave it up to now. She have a fridge up by my cousin Una.
So they were actually storing their stuff at your place,
Yes.
right?
Yes, up to now for one of she fridge up by Una. Cause she wasn't here.
So somebody gave them the impression.
So then
When I
give me
say give
already.
them, I'm talking about Nemo. Right?
Yes,
Is Nemo,
yes.
Is the Nemo people the same people
Yes.
that came back and took back your stove and fridge?
Yes, please.
Okay.
So let you sit and tell me somebody tell them me get already. And me tell them search the place and see if they see and I didn't they know me not more than the old one for years when me got it.
Right.
All the time.
Okay.
Hey me boy.
Alright, well, Vivian, this is what we really wanted to do because a lot of people are disputing the fact that,
Me get already.
and they actually took them back. People say
Yes,
that
it's
is not
true.
the truth. That is
Yeah,
why we're
it's true.
here.
Me tell us when you talk it,
Of
you know, me
course.
talk about them in the assembly, but you tell them up to now they ain't give me nothing.
Exactly.
In the house of assembly, me hate and you
That's
raise
right.
you.
I actually raise your issue in
Yes,
Parliament.
because me go up and me tell Diana, me say, but Diana, look how you raise up that issue and nobody not even answer you not talk to you over that up to the time.
Exactly. Exactly.
So all of me I say they must tell them, well, me our NDB supporter, me not forget nothing. Because me not get nothing. No.
But ain't you been supporting Labour all these years, Vivian?
Since in a Joshua time, PNM a be Labour and PPP a be Joshua.
Well,
Look,
the
we
truth
say
is,
since me 15 years
the truth
old and I
is,
mean I take age then time when I vote.
Vivian, I don't know about
But
that.
no,
You know,
because
long
you're young.
ago, I know about Joshua because my uncle used to run down here. You remember that?
Sylvester, yes.
Right.
Mm.
Yeah. But you've been supporting Labour all the time. So how
All
could
the
they say
years
no?
till now.
how could they treat somebody who has been so loyal to them over the years by just coming back and taking back a stove and a fridge that you're entitled to?
Yeah, but Miss Finch, anybody you've heard of anybody else who they have taken away stuff from down here at all?
No, only me alone.
Only you alone.
Me alone, nobody else.
Nature does it.
All the rest people and
This
then
is
get 2
terrible.
and 3.
It is terrible.
It's terrible.
Me alone.
This pick out a lady, a cancer patient. You say you're suffering from you.
Yeah, he done, since 1999 me cut my breast cancer.
You have cancer, and your husband died 6 months ago.
Yeah.
You're here living alone, a poor lady.
Me alone.
And
Only
you're
thing
telling
I
me
get
the
the poor relief, nothing else. They
And-
didn't give me back, me beg Mr. Gonsalve. He said, Mr. Prime Minister, if himself I have for him give me back $1,000, we now stack up his shop with. When me could get something for go boy. Now at Christmas, that time he time when I saw this,
Yeah.
he tell me yes, he go send somebody to me to see me get something up to this day. It go be 2 years December. Nothing. Nobody come and look for me.
Alright. So thank you very much, Ms. Finch, for this very important piece of information, which I know the people of the world will look.
And
will
when then
use.
the matter about Nichasha and Disha, the lady with him, in the calls. How where them say the prime minister
The former secretary.
Oh,
of-
that's-
yeah, they
Talking about
always
the
attack
social
about you on the
media
radio and pull me. Then
No-
attack
nobody
about
talking
me.
about you.
No.
Yeah,
Right,
they victimize you too. Thank you very much. And thank you for exposing yourself. This country is not easier. Thank you for exposing yourself to maybe danger, I don't know. These people are not easy. We really think you're a hero. And we want to lift you up in prayer and also to know that you'll be safe.
And peace of house me live in too.
Yeah, we're going to look at that too. Thank you very much.